Are you a lover of good food? If your answer is yes, you're welcome to the Delicious Kitchen. Let me share this super delicious soup recipe with you. You will thank me later. Definitely, you're going to love it. Don't let me talk much. Let's get it started. I'm going to pour my crabs I'll be using today into a pot. I'll be adding chopped onion into it. I'm adding salt, seasoning. I added some water. I'll be using shrimp, so I added it into it. Chili flakes. If you don't have chili flakes, please use Habanero Pepper atarodo. I'm using seasoning mixture. That is optional. If you don't have that, just make sure you add enough seasoning into it. Now mix it a bit together, cover and boil. This has been cooking for about 20 to 25 minutes, which shows that this crab is super ready. Look at it. Aroma here is everything. I'm going to add this pepper mix into it. Bell pepper and onion is what I've just added into it now. And I'm adding crayfish powder. I have this pomo, this sliced pomo. I just, it's not a must if you don't have it. And I'm going to add palm oil into it now. I added more water. And I'm going to boil it with this fish. Yes, if you have fish, add it into it at this stage. Make sure that the water cover the fish, now cover and boil together. In another pot, add some water. You can use baking soda or potash. Add some, bring it to a boil. When the water is boiled, add your blended okra. This is blended. I blended half of the okra I'll be using with a mixer, and this is what I've just poured it into the water we boiled just now. I'm just going to allow it to boil for about 2 minutes. Mix. Can you see what we are having here? It is slimy. So lovely. Let's keep that aside. Take it off the cooker. Let's check our sauce, our super seafood sauce. Now it's time to take out the fish. Take them out, okay? We don't want them to scatter into that soup. Please, thumbs up, subscribe, like and share. All right, lovelies, let's keep on cooking. After taking out those fishes out of the sauce, it's now time to introduce the okra into the stew. Let them come together. Let them be one. Yes. Now pour the okra into the stew, into the sauce. Yes, call it stew or sauce. Give it a good mix like I've just done now. Look at those crabs inside and the aroma I'm having here. My God. It's now time to add the sliced okra, and I'll just add 2 or 3 habanero pepper into it for the heat vibe, and of course spinach. Feel free to use ugu or kale. Just add some vegetable into it and mix everything together. Hey, this is a must try. No sleep on a long thing. This is a must try for everyone. It is so simple, direct. The aroma says it all. I don't want to talk much. Please try the soup and let me know how much you enjoyed it. Now taste for seasoning, taste for salt and adjust if it's necessary. Okay, can you see what I've just done? I added some salt to it and now garnish it with some sliced or diced paprika and give it a good mix together, and then let them know themselves for about 2 minutes. All right, let them cook. Don't overcook your vegetables. All right, so can you see what we have here? Look at it. Like I've said, please remember to follow, like, share, and let me know how much you enjoyed this recipe. Look at what we have. Now introduce the fish back into it. Add the fish and gently mix them. Okay, gently mix it together. Don't let the bone scatter. Like I've said, we don't want to eat bone. Now get your swallow. I'm rocking mine with amala. Feel free to serve this with pounded yam, with semovita, with fufu, akpu, or with agidi, or you just want to rock it like that. Go and wash your hands. I don't use cutlery when it comes to eating swallow. Can you see what we have here? Tell me, this is perfect for any occasion, at home, at any party. Even if you have a restaurant, introduce this to your customers. They will come back again. This is super. This is what we call shoko yokoto. If you want daddy to stay at home, make the super delicious soup for him, and I promise he's going to stay at home. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you all. Bye bye.